Namaskar, good morning. It's my great privilege and honor to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you to this historic Central Hall of the Parliament of India, an edifice that stands as a living symbol of India's democratic journey, constitutional values, and parliamentary traditions. We are deeply honored by the presence of, apart from the President IPU and the chairperson of CPA, a galaxy of speakers and presiding officers from across the Commonwealth, representing diverse nations, cultures, and parliamentary systems. Yet, we are united by a shared commitment to democracy, the rule of law, and representative governance. Excellencies, your presence here today reaffirms the enduring bonds of friendship and cooperation that connect our family of nations. My sincere gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for gracing the opening ceremony, which reflects his deepest commitment to the values of parliamentary democracy. This Central Hall has been witness to many defining moments in India's history. From deliberations of the Constituent Assembly that gave birth to our Constitution to historic address by global leaders. It's therefore especially meaningful that this hall today hosts distinguished custodians of parliamentary democracy from across the world. India's parliamentary system draws strength from age-old tradition of dialogue, debate, and dissent. Values that are central to a true democracy. Representative and deliberative bodies of India have existed and flourished for millennium. Your presence here from different regions of the globe reinforces the India's guiding philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, world is one family. Forums such as the CSPOC provide an important opportunity to exchange experiences, share best practices, and collectively reflect on evolving challenges facing democratic institutions, be it in strengthening legislative oversight, enhancing inclusivity, embracing technology, or deepening public trust in democratic processes.